starting amount. One symbol now and it's another 20,000x, guys. Just one symbol. It's so OP, this collector payer thing. One symbol is all they need. Yeah, what the fuck? That's huge again. They're fucking huge again. We got one more symbol. Is this broken? What the fuck? Max win? Hold your horses. What is happening? What is this? What is this? What is this? What is this? What the fuck is this? Isn't this fucking huge? It's absolutely fucking huge. What the fuck did I just spin in? How much will this pay? Oh, if you get 5 again, it's absolutely oh. Oi, 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 oi. I saw this is insane. Oh, this is up. Oh, you need to hit. If you hit all of these 3, it's absolutely fucking broken. It's 15,000x already. I saw. Hello? Hello? What the fuck? 55,000x! 11k on 20 cents.
So the tags there. Now we got the arms dealer again there, but there is like no resistance. We're printing base game on Vikings. Oh, that's another arms dealer! Holy shit, we have symbols now. What the hell is happening here? So we have millions of symbols. Oh wait, we have a persistent arms dealer. Oh my god, we have a persistent arms dealer there. So, oh my god, if you can... Hey wait, this can be sick if we upgrade now.
If you like this game and want to play it or any other games free on demo version, just Google Money Train 4 Great. Or just any game name and great.
Or just land a symbol upgrade. Wait. Land. As a persistent arms dealer, guys. Do you, I don't. Wait. What do we need? I have no idea what we need. I have no fucking clue what we need. But we need something. Oh my god! What do we need? I don't know what we need! What do we need? That is bad. Oh my god, also what do we need even? Collect a payer maybe, yeah? Or payer. Oh, that's fucking huge. That ooh. Come on, baby. Oh my god, we keep landing the symbols as well. What do we even... I don't understand. Here we need like a collector. Also, we need a collector here somewhere. Around... now like here. I don't really understand what is... Payer. That's good though, because that's gonna be... oh yeah, blood. Look at this, guys. Holy fuck, it's shooting. Can it only do one here? Collector with tags, go to hell, bro. Oh my god, also collector next to the collector. That is payer with tags. Also look. Can we have a persistent landing now maybe? I don't really know what we're collector with tags. So go to hell, seriously. Can we have something that every feature is doing once again or something? Necromancer, exactly. Necromancer is the word for it. Sniper, that is not super good. What? Oh yeah, I was shooting this one. Holy shit! Now we have 2.5. Sniper? Oh, shoot this one. I said the chances are very, very low, but you can do it. You missed. Oh, you missed. You missed. Here! No. Oh.
7x total collected. This is gonna go pretty good. Of course, we want to see like 2 resets on this, and it's disgustingly like crazy. But
2 resets on this, probably 10 to 15,000 x.
Yeah.
Oh.
Kind of like maybe let it run for a bit, then reset. Like.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
It's giving me hope though.
Reset next spin so I don't stress. Yeah, like this is the one that's gonna pay the most.
Come on, drop it.
Yeah, no way. Yeah, we thought. This is the one that's gonna pay the most.
Resets now and it's massive.
Yeah, if he resets now, it's GG's.
Would you
but
grab this? You still grab this, by the way.
Yeah.
Drop!
Nah. It's impossible.
It's a
It'd be
6,000x.
Yeah, it would be too much, Pickle. Yeah, it would be too much. No, it would be more. It would be more. Yeah,
no, yeah, if he got like 4 resets on this.
Yeah, because it paid out the 4,000.
That's exponentially better.
I know.
Oh!
Wait,
not
arm stealer triggers first, at least.
Yeah, and then we can trigger it.
Oh, wait. This is interesting.
This is extremely good, Kim. Payeer. Yeah. Collect. Oh, no.
What do you want payeer for?
Because I want to pay on all, but that I didn't want that. Alright,
that's good.
Okay-ish.
That's good.
Okay-ish.
And then
collect
we want...
the payeer.
That's perfect.
Yeah, that's good.
Oh, this is...
And now we want necromancer on collector sniper. Not that one. Other collector.
But even the payeer is pretty good.
Yeah, all of them are good. It doesn't really matter. No,
yeah, that's the best one.
Yeah. The sniper is also extremely good.
Payeer is...
Sniper is best.
But if we can... Oh, shit.
Sniper is the best.
Oh, shit, but we... Hey!
Yes, but sniper is the best. We haven't sniped yet. Yes, we did. Oh! Snipe the 1,200. Snipe here.
Oh, this could be massive.
Snipe here. Yeah!
Nice.
It's massive. Hit
anything.
Snipe this one.
Nay.
Snipe here.
Nay.
Yeah, that's good.
That's
shit.
That's bad.
Hit something.
Hit one symbol.
Snipe the 2,500. That's good.
That's good. Oh!
One more time. Let's go!
Hit one symbol.
Yo! Snipe
that!
Yeah. That's good.
Ja!
Kolla! Alltså one more time.
Shoot it again.
I'm gonna beat your score, Kim.
Shoot it again.
20.
Shoot it again.
20. 20.
Shoot it again.
20.
Shoot the 20.
20. That's all of them are good now, though. But yeah.
Oh!
This one is obviously much better. Yo! That's.
No.
Here.
Not the singles.
Here.
20k.
No.
Snipe the 20k.
That's 30k.
You have like 9 shots to do it.
Yeah! One more time.
One more time.
This is 50,000x.
Shoot it! What? But that was also... No, fan.
No. One more time.
Shoot it.
That's good. No, it's not over. I thought we were done.
Okay, if it hits now, it's max win.
Shoot it! Shoot it!
That's good though. Shoot it.
No.
Shoot it.
Ja! Get the fuck in
there.
So shite. Fy fan, why didn't you pull this one, you mother fudger? Alright, we have 2 horses, I would say. One really good horse and one that's not. Okay. Also, imagine landing a persistent necromancer now. Get the fuck in. Persistent necromancer now, and oof, we're flying to the fucking moon. Also, please, just hit this and this. Oh, this, oh. I didn't even think about that. We have a 2k. Also, hit the collector and I'm crying of happiness. Good. Also, oh my god, we have 3 that is so insanely good if it snipes now. Yes. Yes! This... Yeah! Yeah! Oh my god, this is gonna be... This is fucking insane, come again! Land something, oh my god! What is that? That's 4,000x if it did that. That's 4,000, that's funny.
If you like this game and want to play it or any other games free on demo version, just Google Money Train 4 Great. Or just any game name and great.
Yes! Yes! Come again. Oh my god, this can be max win, It's still insane. Yes! Come on. Yes! Yes! Get the fuck in! Oh my god! 2 good snipes and we have max win. 2 good snipes and we have max win. Yes! Come on. Oh my god, 90,000x. Oh my god. Oh, please. Oh my god. Oh, persistent, get max win. It's max win. Get the fuck in. Oh my god. Holy fucking shit. It's max win. It's guaranteed max win. God, look at how insane. Oh